are here with an unboxing. My December Peaches and Petals box finally arrived, so we're gonna dive right into it. Before I jump into the actual unboxing, I do want to mention that Peaches and Petals is a lifestyle subscription service. It comes every single month, and I think it's like $19.95 or $20.95. It's around that $20 range, and they send you various items from beauty, decor, skincare, fashion, vintage items, a ton of stuff. And it is probably hands down my favorite subscription service that I've ever been a part of. And it's one that I am just excited to continue to do. So here is the box this month. It is a smaller box. I did already like open it, but we are going to see what is in here. I'm gonna grab the first obvious thing. And this is something that I can't wear here, but I will save it for when we leave the island. It is, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Like, how adorable is this hat right here? It's really good quality too. Wow, that's stitching. This is called Sleeping in the Snow, and it's 100% acrylic. Oh my goodness. Sexy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And there's like fuzzies everywhere. The next thing is a Moscow Mule mug. This is the antique copper Moscow Mule mug, 16 ounces. And this is the original one. This is in like one of those lookalikes. This is like the Moscow Mule mug. Oh wow, they give you like a beverage. Oh, how to make an actual Moscow Mule. That's cool. Nice. Nice. Now, I have to save ginger beer. I don't think I can even have... I'll probably use this for coffee because I have celiac disease, and so I can't have any gluten, and I know that there's like gluten in beer. So, because of the, I think the wheat and barley. Anyways, whatever. I'm gonna open this up. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love mugs in general, and I know this sounds like super cheesy, but this will look really cute in Instagram photos of my morning coffee.
Need it any more extra?
Here's the Moscow Mule mug. It's just the standard Moscow Mule mug. Old Dutch line of quality copperware. Do not soak in water, so it's hand wash only. Okay. This a mild dish detergent solution may be used for cleaning. Cool. I'm so excited for this. Paper ball. Oh, a Parisian mosaic. Ooh, look at that. Shiny. I'm so shiny. Here is a paper blank Parisian mosaic book. It retails for $11.95 and it's lined. It's a memento pouch, acid-free, sustainable forest paper. So yeah, I mean, I'm always like writing down ideas, and this is nice and small and can fit in my purse. So this will of course come to use. And it's like really pretty to look at, like, The decor item, it says, has that reclaimed wood look? Nice. It says, I always carry a knife in my purse, you know, in case of cheesecake or something. That's so funny. Last thing that came in the box is a $100 wine voucher. You get these in like almost every single box, and it's either this or like the HelloFresh stuff. Claim with, but I don't know if they're shipped to Hawaii, so that's why I never really use these. I'll look into it because I do like wine. And I know I can't drink beer, but I can drink wine. That is everything I received for the December Peaches and Petals box. It was a good month. I'm going to be using every single thing. So this, of course, won't get like genuine use until we go visit like off island. But I mean, this is so cute. I love the pattern. I just love the little puffball. I love this. This is a really, really good winter hat. And this is probably my favorite thing in the whole thing, of course, duh. I mean, I think this is supposed to be like the star item, but I am so excited for that. But I think that's everything. So if you are interested in signing up for Peaches and Petals, I will have a sign up link down below. I don't get paid or anything. You can just click the link, sign up. It's so much fun. I love getting my Peaches and Petals box. I get so many useful things. Like, I get dishes, you guys. Like, what? Anyway, so that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big old thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure to hit that little bell next to it so you don't miss any of my uploads. YouTube likes to play you and doesn't let you know when your favorite people upload. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's everything, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.